This is the DJI Avata. This is our unboxing. I fast forwarded just the unboxing to show you what's included in the Fly Me More package. Uh, as you can see, it's a packed tech piece of equipment. It comes with 3 batteries. It has sensors all around. This is the gyroscopic controller with a throttle. Unbelievably intuitive, and these are the Goggle 2s, which also have multiple adjustment and features. We do real estate evaluations, and this is a beach house that we're looking at. This is my first time flying the drone, and while I could probably improve a little bit on my smoothness, you'll notice that the image quality is great, the image stabilization is great. I'm standing outside the front of this house. We're going to do a quick tour through the main kitchen den area and down the hallway. We won't go in all the rooms, although I was able to very easily. This does show the drone itself, as well as the first-person view, which made things very easy to navigate. We're going to go out the back of this house through the beachside bathroom, or poolside bathroom.
Right now we're going out over the water in the back.
This is a beautiful location,
Around.
and we will use this drone frequently for showing of our real estate properties or evaluations. Of course, staging it with furniture and cleaning up will be more routine. But again, there is no change in the speed of the video. This is all in real time, so I'm able to navigate in and out of the house, as well as over the water, as well as down pretty tight hallways and doorways very easily. The first-person view makes this surprisingly simple. And there you have it, a quick real estate tour of a pending beach house and unboxing of the DJI Avata. Very impressed, high ranking, and self-landing is occurring now.